Hi, good afternoon. Just to give you a current update with this concrete footpath construction. So, as you can see, I already completed the base of the water channel from end to end. Yeah. So this one is still wet, but never mind, it will dry. And yeah, I already completed this holes, which I haven't done last time because I was run out of builder's mix. Yeah, so the next job I'm going to do, hopefully it won't rain tomorrow, I'm gonna start setting out this subsoil drain. As just to reiterate, this subsoil drain is to collect all the seepage from this retaining wall. So it goes to this subsoil drain, then it flows to water channel. But I'm gonna put socks on this subsoil drain to avoid penetration of silt. Yeah, and from this wall to up to this end of post, there are gonna be rocks or stones to filter all the water seepage from the retaining wall, same as in here. So that's what my activities for tomorrow and the following weeks. Also, I'm gonna put a concrete wall on this fence all the way through from end to probably up to here. So the purpose of that is to prevent water coming from our neighborhood coming to my son's place. That's why I need to block it with concrete. And then after that, we're gonna put a slab in here from end to end. So this subsoil drain will be covered with concrete as well. So basically all this area will be concreted, same as this gap in here. So there's a concrete wall here as well. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 3 more items. So basically 4, including subsoil drain preparation, and then 5, which is another concrete footpath from this end up to here. That's gonna be another 2.2 meters. Yeah, so this is the last part. So once this completed, it's 100%. So this would be part 3 of concrete footpath construction. So probably end of September. It's weather permitted anyway. All right, folks, it's seems gonna be rain, so I need to cover this concrete I poured today to avoid damaging. All right, friends. Okay, that's all I can say for today, and I hope you like my short presentation, and hope everything's okay. Please be safe. God bless you all, and bye for now. See you next time.